What was the biggest takeaway from the Trikes yesterday?
Oh, the biggest takeaway from the Trikes is that the smoothness of the new Trikes and the confidence building in the handling of the motorcycle.
Hey, Jeremy.
Hi.
My biggest takeaway is the safety and the comfort of the 26.
26s are just so much more forgiving, so much more grounded, so to speak.
It's nice and smooth. You just get to keep a nice straight mind on riding the road.
The passenger is going to have a phenomenal time on the back of that Trike. With that new suspension,
you can really feel that difference, almost kind of being able to waddle through it instead of being on one board.
All ease.
It is pretty much a night and day difference between the two.
I gotta try not to laugh at you.
That 26 Trike is the way to go if you're riding two up.
The new rear suspension, keeping the wheels on the ground, not fighting a straight axle on it. It's a game changer with what they did on that suspension this year.
Especially going over speed bumps. Your kidneys don't hurt on the 2026 compared to that solid axle on the 25.
That's a bonus.
Yep.
They may be paging you.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you go.